I almost crashed today. I almost crashed, and the dude was nervous to hand me these keys, but here we are. We got this. Caught myself trying to be a, you know, exceptional content creator, and then the wind knocked my tripod over and completely shattered the front. Okay, good morning. Can you guys see me? So today is Thursday, the 8th, and right now I'm heading back to the port to head to Granada. I'm really excited. Let me see what time it is. Okay, so it is 8:23. The boat leaves at 9. So I met up with these girls. They're a little bit further down the road. I met up with these girls and we're all gonna ride back to Granada together. It's so wild because this morning I woke up and I prayed. I was like, God, help me figure out how to get to Granada without, you know, defaulting to the most expensive option, which is just like paying for like a taxi. Because I really wanted to experience getting on like the buses here, which tourists call chicken buses. But as soon as I walked out of my hostel, I was talking to them and I said, hey, how's your morning? Like, oh, we're about to leave. I was like, oh yeah, me too, I'm heading to Granada. And they were like, same, you should come with us. And that was about 1 minute after I prayed. So, you know, God is always working. I'm exhausted with all these bags. But yeah, so we should be heading to Granada soon. We'll have a full day there. And I'm pretty excited for it, so let's go. Okay, so we just made it back to San Jorge Port, and now we have to go to Rivas, and then once we go to Rivas, then we'll be going straight to Granada. So it's gonna be a few hours of travel today, but it's only 10 o'clock, so hopefully we get to Granada by at least 12 or 1, but we'll see. I'm doing a bathroom break right now. I don't really have to go because I'm probably dehydrated and I haven't really been drinking anything, but so far I'm so good. Okay, so I just got to Granada. Now I'm about to head to the Garden Cafe, which is that restaurant right there on the corner. I'm so hungry, I'm ready to eat, so hopefully the food's good. Let's check it out. So I have been walking around Granada. I went to Garden Cafe for a little bit. I snacked. I didn't really get anything to eat yet. I'm gonna get a meal at Pita Pita, which is actually right across the street. So I'll show you guys that later. Now I'm at one of the chapels, as you guys can see. They do have an outlook that you can go to and look at, you know, the view of the town, but it is closed right now. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow, probably in the morning, just because I want to see as much and do as much as possible before I leave. Yeah, I also got some ice cream, which was pretty good. I got my typical combo flavors that I have to get every single place that I go to. It is so good. You gotta get cookies and cream and coffee together. And if they don't have coffee, you gotta get cookies and cream and peanut butter. It only makes sense. So now I'm just gonna walk around the town. Here's the same fit for the day. It's pretty chill. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm on my way to the top of this church. As you can hear, it's the Church of Mercy. The stairwell's pretty small, but it's super cute, so. Today is a new day. I am about to head on a tour of Isletas de Granada, or Isletas Granada, which is, I guess, like a cute little boat tour of the islands around here. I'm gonna go get a smoothie, and then I'm gonna meet my, not Uber driver, I feel like it's so easy for me to say Uber driver. I'm gonna meet my driver, and he's gonna take me down to, I guess, the dock so I can purchase the tour. But yeah, so that's this morning. I have on an all navy blue fit. You guys know, well, you should already know, that is my favorite color. I will always wear it, I will always rock it. Let's go get a smoothie first because I'm hungry. And I had some gallo pinto for breakfast. I woke up and had like the breakfast that they offer, but it was just the rice and beans because I wasn't gonna eat the bread and I don't eat eggs, so yeah.
In the time of the Sandinista war, it was the Civil War. So this used to be the Somoza's station, you know, like the police station. But in those days, it wasn't police; it was the army.
Oh, okay.
So if anything that if you had got yourself into a problem or a crime, any kind of crime, you used to come here and this used to be the jail. But here in the time of the Somoza War with the Sandinista, they used to come and get the Sandinistas and torture them.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah.
And as you see, that's the tower, that's where they used to shoot from here to downtown or the street, you know, for with the war in the time of the Sandinista. Let's go check if we could go in.
right now I'm just back at my hostel. I'm chilling because my flight is later tonight at 10. So I ended up going for a walk to get some churros, but now I'm gonna find something else to do around town. I'm gonna make sure I finish off eating dinner at Pita Pita, a nice little Mediterranean moment. And yeah, I might go to another hostel and see what's going on in the city, but you know, this is pretty much it for the day. This is pretty much it for the trip. You know, we're just chilling for real. So yeah, I'll give you guys little snippets, but yeah, once I'm on my way to the airport, I'll give you guys another update. I just wanted to end out this vlog, and I wanted to thank you so much for coming along with me on this journey to Nicaragua. It was honestly so much fun, and I enjoyed every step of the way, the ups, the downs, the in the middles, all that there. Yeah, so stay tuned for the next vlog. It is almost 9 o'clock, and I'm going to be heading to the airport at 10. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's time to wrap it up and go. I'm just chilling at the coffee shop. I had me a little mochaccino to keep me up until my flight. But other than that, you know, we're good, we're vibing. And yeah, I'm about to leave. So it's been real. I hope that you enjoyed the vlog, and make sure to stay tuned for more stuff that I have coming soon. Bye. It's been real with your girl, Shakana Noel. Peace out, and until next time. To wipe it off.
Well, yeah, because I thought, me too, I thought it was something that was sticky there.
Yeah, no.
Piece of paper.
No, it's just a birthmark.